Hello everyone, welcome back to Praisetech Studios. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to zip files on your iPhone, easy and fast. Zipping a file helps you combine one or multiple documents into a single compressed file. This makes it easier to share through email, upload online, or send through apps that have file size limits. It also helps keep your files organized and reduces storage space. Before we begin, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel to help us grow this family. Now let's begin. First, make sure your document is saved inside the Files app. For example, if someone sent you a document through a messaging app, open the file, tap the share icon, and choose Save to Files. Select a location like on my iPhone or iCloud Drive, then tap Save. Now your document is available inside the Files app. Now open the Files app and go to the location where your document is saved. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select New Folder. Give the folder a name and tap Done. Tap the three dots and choose Select. Choose the document you want to zip. Tap Move, select the folder you created, and tap Move again. Press and hold the folder. From the menu that appears, tap Compress. Your iPhone will automatically create a zip file in the same location. And that's it. You've successfully zipped a file on your iPhone. If this video helped you, kindly like and subscribe to Praisetech Studios. See you in the next tutorial.